Hi and welcome back to Felicity Plans, and for this video I'm going to show you how to import your digital planner into Goodnotes, Notability and Noteshelf. And starting off with Goodnotes, click on the plus symbol and in the drop down click on Import. Next, navigate to where you've saved your planner files. Open your digital planner folder and you have the option of importing the Monday Start or Sunday Start planner. Click on one. And your planner is now imported into Goodnotes. Now let's move on to Noteshelf. Open your Noteshelf app and in the top right click on that plus symbol, then click on Import Document. This takes you to your download folder on your iPad. So now find where you've saved your file and open your digital planner folder. And here you have the choice to import the Monday Start or Sunday Start planner. Choose one. And your planner is now imported into Noteshelf. Next up is Notability. First, open the Notability app. Then in the top right, click on the import symbol. Then click on Files. Now you can go to where you've saved your files and open the digital planner folder. And click on the Monday or Sunday Start planner to import. Now click on the Create New Note button. Then click on Import. Your digital planner is now imported into Notability. Keep watching to see the preview for my vintage planners that are now available on Etsy and will be linked below. For the next video, I'll be showing you how to import and use these stickers in Goodnotes, Notability and Noteshelf. Thanks for watching this tutorial and I will see you in the next video.